Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto E15 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'll show you two different ways which requires entering two different apps. So first of all, let's start with blocking your contacts. So let's enter your contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to the contact settings and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from the number, so simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course, you can unblock the number just by tapping on this option, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, because that's the second way of blocking the number. And here we have to open the dialer, so let's tap on it. And then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general, we have to open blocked numbers. And as you can see here, we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option also works. Here you can tap on add a number and enter the number manually in this section, so you do not have to have it saved on your contact list. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. What is more, here you've got this option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically it means that your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can unblock the number just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.